Hey, and welcome. I am Dr. Christiane Anise, and if you're watching this right now, you're probably looking for a better way to make money, a better way to learn how the stock market works, a better way to build a future for yourself, your family, and your legacy. And I want to show you something that changed everything for me. It's called the 24-hour Trade Invest GPT, and it's like having a personal training coach in your pocket 24/7. So let me guess, you've tried watching the videos on YouTube. Maybe you've even joined some signal groups or paid for a course that you couldn't finish. But you're still confused by the charts, the earnings, or even, what stock to pick, right? So that was me until I created a tool that could break it all down for me. And now I want to give you the same tool without the confusion, the hype, or high ticket coaching price. I would like to introduce to you the 24-hour Trade Invest GPT Smart Tool. It's an AI smart tool that explains the market in plain English. It alerts you to big moves, before they even happen. It breaks down charts and risks. It tracks big money trades so you can follow the smart money. And it answers your questions instantly. So it's no more guessing, no more waiting. It's like having an expert on call anytime you need it. So let me show you proof. And I'm going to keep it very simple. One of our users made over $1,000 in less than 20 minutes on her lunch break just by using this GPT to spot a high probability trade. Now, she works a 9 to 5, and now she's earning extra income on the side without sacrificing her job. Another used the GPT 24-hour Trade Invest GPT to teach their beginner trading class. All right. So it's helped students find better stocks, learn how to enter trades properly, and grow their portfolios. So even during this tough economy, they're now trading smarter and not harder. And one more user was spotted using the setup on SPX, and they invested $200 or like $200 something and walked away with over $2,000 in profit, guided by the 24-hour Trade Invest GPT's real-time alerts. So the possibilities are really infinite, and we even give you suggested prompts to help you get started fast in case you don't know exactly what to ask. So you don't need to understand terms like open interest, sweeps, multi-leg trades. This tool is built to speak your language and guide you step by step. It even teaches you how to manage your risk, grow your confidence, and build real income with simple guidance you can understand. So with your subscription, you will get daily updates on what big investors are doing, upcoming earnings, economic data, and stock trends. You'll get real-time chart breakdowns and alerts, risk management support, 24/7 access to the 24-hour Trade Invest GPT for questions and trade ideas, and a growing library of beginner-friendly prompts, and, of course, support from our community. Now, here's the crazy part. It's only $59 a month, and that's literally only $1.97 a day for a tool that can guide your trades, help you learn, and give you confidence to build multiple streams of income in the stock market. There's no contracts. You can cancel at any time, and you can literally start today and get full access within minutes. So I look at, the 9 to 5 as leverage, because if you have a 9 to 5, you definitely have income, but this is something that will give you freedom. Okay. This will give you, back your time and give you more income. So I'm not saying quit your 9 to 5, definitely use that as a means of leverage, but this is going to give you even more sustainability. Okay. And no one's going to give you a handout at all. But this GPT is going to give you a resource. It's going to give you that leverage. It's going to give you what you need in order to succeed. And this is your chance to learn a high income skill and actually enjoy it. It's no more confusion, no more wasted time, no more feeling like you're late to the party. It's never too late. You just need the right guide and the right resource and tool, and this is it. So if you're ready to begin, you can click the button below and activate your account now. You'll get full access to the 24-hour Trade Invest GPT, and you'll finally have the support you've been missing. It's time to stop watching others win and get into the game. Let's start trading smart and let's start trading together. This is Dr. Christiane Anise, and I'll see you on the inside.